Greetings to everyone. Welcome in our today's session. Here we are going to talk about one of the parts of speech, that is adjectives. Starting with the definition, adjectives describe nouns or pronouns. Here you will see that there are some pictures and they are paired as adjective and noun. First of all, I will read all the nouns. Sunshine, rose, bee, diamond, owl, lollipop, slide. All these are the nouns, and these nouns are paired with one describing word, that is adjective. Bright sunshine. Bright is adjective. Red rose. Red is adjective. Buzzing bee. Buzzing is adjective. Sparkling diamond. Sparkling is adjective. Wise owl. Wise is adjective. Colorful lollipop. Colorful is adjective. Slippery slide. Slippery is adjective. So, all the adjectives bright, red, buzzing, sparkling, wise, colorful, slippery, they are describing some nouns, and describing words are called as adjectives. With one more example we will discuss. Here you will see that there is one noun, that is kitten. If we want to describe this kitten with adjectives, you can add n number of adjectives. For example, little, furry, brown, soft, playful, cute. So these are the adjectives that we can add for describing this kitten. The cute little brown kitten likes to nap. So here, how is the kitten? The kitten is cute, little, brown. So in this way, the words that are used to describe a noun or pronoun are called as adjectives. An adjective is a word used to describe a noun or pronoun, and it gives more specific meaning. Adjectives modify nouns and pronouns by providing information that answers any of the following questions about the noun and pronoun. So what questions these adjectives answer? Adjectives can answer some questions like what kind, which one, how many, how much. And depending on this, the adjectives are also categorized as types of adjectives. Just now we have discussed same, that adjectives can give the answer of some questions. An adjective gives more information about a noun or pronoun by answering one of these questions. And what are that questions? What kind, which one, how many. For example, what kind? Blue car, long rope, tall person, big house. So here, blue, long, tall, big. These will give the exact what kind of car, rope, person, house is. Which one? This town, last week, the second day, the other woman. So these adjectives will discuss or give the answer to which one. How many? Here you will see the number like 1 second, 3 boys, few cars, several people. So how many boys were there? Suppose this question is asked, so we have to give the number. So 3 boys were there. So like this, the adjectives can give you the answer to question how many. Now where the adjectives can be placed? Adjectives can come after forms of the linking verbs and forms of to be, that means is, am, are, was, were, be, being and been. So adjectives can come after this linking verbs or to be form of the verbs. With the example we can have more discussion about this. Like Mary is pretty. Here, how is Mary? Mary is pretty. Is the to be form of the verb, and after that to be form of the verb you will see that the adjective is used. Then adjectives can come after the verbs of the senses, like look, appear, become, feel, seem, smell, sound and taste. As you know that we have five senses, and the verbs used in this slide, you will see that look, appear, these words or these verbs are called as verbs of senses, because for that we have to use our any one of the five senses. Like look, we have to use eyes, smell, we have to use our nose, taste, we have to use our tongue. So verbs of senses means that are verbs that are using any of the five senses. So with the example we can see my room feels cool. So feeling is the verb of senses, and this verb of sense, after this verb of sense you will see that the adjective is used, that is cool. An adjective is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Just now we have discussed, and it can tell us many things such as size, color, shape, number, sound, feel, taste, smell and weather. For example, size means small, big, enormous, large, tiny. Color, all the colors like blue, red, green, purple, yellow. Shapes means all the shapes like circular, oval, triangular, square, conical. Numbers, all the numbers. Examples, 7, many, hundreds, few, couple. Sound means soft, roaring, bubbling, loud, irritating. Then feeling like hard, lumpy, smooth, rough, slimy. All the tastes like spicy, sour, sweet, bland and bitter. Smells like enticing, pleasant, acidic, salty, nasty. Then weather, rainy, windy, funny, sunny, foggy, cloudy. So all these are the adjectives. Now here on this screen you will see some common adjectives like shape, sound, conditions, size and taste. So shape includes broad, crooked, curved, deep, round, square, straight, steep, even, flat, hilly, jagged, shallow. Sound like cooing, deafening, faint, harsh, mute, high pitched, noisy, hissing, hushed, husky, loud, melodic. Then conditions like alive, brainy, broken, busy, dead, damaged, difficult, careful, cautious, clever, crazy. Then sizes like medium, miniature, narrow, petite, short, large, huge, long, skinny, small, tall, average and big. Then taste, revolting, ripe, rotten, salty, sour, fresh, juicy, spicy, stale, bitter, bland and delicious. So all these are the common adjectives that you will find. Now here the adjectives can be placed. Adjectives can be placed before noun or after nouns to describe them. Here we will see the example. This is a heavy door. The door is heavy. Here you will see that heavy is the adjective and door is a noun. In the first sentence you will see that heavy, this adjective is used before the noun, and in the second sentence heavy is used after is, but before that is also there is noun. So after the noun heavy, this adjective is used in second sentence. So you can place the adjective before the noun also and after the noun also, but you have to make some changes. Like here you will see. Now let us have recap. Adjectives describe nouns. Examples: it is a beautiful dress. The word beautiful tells us about the kind of dress. Jyoti is an intelligent girl. The word intelligent tells us about the kind of girl Jyoti is. So, intelligent is an adjective. I have 2 dresses. The word 2 tells us about the number of dresses. So, 2 is an adjective. The big table has 6 legs. The word 6 tells us about the number of legs that the big table has. In this example, you will see 2 adjectives, big and 6. I want the red dress. Red tells us about the color of the dress. So, red is an adjective. Veena has a blue pen. So, blue tells us about the color of the pen. So, blue is also an adjective. So, beautiful, intelligent, 2, big, 6, red, blue. All these are the adjectives that are describing the nouns. So, children, I hope you all have understood the topic, that is adjectives. So, goodbye and take care till we meet with a very interesting topic. Thank you.